Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make 3 ingredients energy bites. These are snacks that you can make ahead of time and you're just going to have something to snack on. So you'll need peanut butter, dates, oats, water, salt and cinnamon. Begin by soaking your dates in water. This will help them to soften. And then for like 10 minutes, and then you're going to remove the pits and you're going to blend them. So the date is what is going to act as our glue. It's what is going to bind everything together. So if you don't have dates, you can use honey. It can still work. So after that, blend and then mix everything in a bowl. So put your oat flour, the oats that you have grinded, in a bowl. Add the cinnamon, the salt, then you're going to add the date mixture and the peanut butter. We just need just those ingredients, those 3 ingredients. After that, you're going to mix everything until well combined and you end up with a dough, a sticky but not too sticky. So you can use a fork, you can use a spoon, or you can just go in with your hands, whichever you prefer. So if you don't want to use this method, you can use a food processor where you're going to put your dates, the oats and the peanut butter, and it will just make a dough for you. You won't have to go in through all this process. So after you have a fine dough, you're going to make tiny balls. You just roll them easy with your hands, and then you're going to freeze them if you're not going to have them immediately, or just keep them in the fridge. But before you snack on them, it's better to keep them in the fridge to set for like 1 hour or 2. It will depend with you which one you prefer, if you want them a bit soft or you want them harder, whichever you prefer. So this is how your dough should look like. It's sticky but not too sticky, something it is easy to handle. Yeah, then roll, form a ball like. So I hope that you're going to try out this recipe and you let me know how it turns out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.